Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Monday, July 5th, coming back, or I'm sorry, Tuesday, July 5th, coming back after the July 4th holiday. And I'm going to let you guys know what we did today in no particular order. We had 7 trades today. Actually, we had 7 winners. We actually had 8. That one was a break even. But I'm going to run through them here really quick for you and let everybody know what we did. First trade was, I'm just going to go from left to right here. Gold is in the left part of the screen. So we had a long in gold, and that was an understanding trade. And that was at 1351.8. Okay. And that one went up for about 30 ticks. And that was a nice start of the day. We had a ZL come in over here. That was my target there. You'll see that circle in the line. They were there the whole time. Did push up a little bit more. I said it might try to push up a little bit more, go to another ZL level. But when it stopped there and came down, that was going to be about it. Couldn't get short there yet. We could have, but I wanted to wait. I think we were looking at another trade in another market at that point. Then we had an RS in gold, 1352.4, 1352.4. You see that came all the way down. We had an intermediate target there at 49.5, and then our ultimate target was here at 46.5, and then I said it may come up again and flush out again down here and hit the lower target, which was the bottom of my circle here, which was 45.1. So, depending on how many contracts people had, it varied, but we got up over 70, almost 70 plus if you waited for it to come down and hit the lower one. Otherwise, it would have been about 60 ticks. Beautiful trade there on gold. And again, those lines were the area that were there the whole time, and those were the area that was the area that we would expect it if it's going to reverse, and that is what happened. It came back up. We had another trade in gold at 52.4. Again, same point as we got short on the other trade. On the RS, that was a ZL. This time, though, I told everybody, depending on what happens with the ES, this may just be a little, not a scalp, but, up to 10, 15 ticks potentially on that trade. And it did make almost 20, a little over 20 ticks. 15 to 20 is a minimum that we expect in that particular case. And then it just kept going up. Actually, I said go to entry, or if you're out of the trade, just take your profits. And it ended up going up there because, which we knew because we were looking at the ES at the same time. So great, three great trades in goal winning trades. And then we had in the crude, we had an awesome trade in crude. We had a power play at 47.33. And that one worked down into our playground, 76 to 86. It actually went much lower, but that was after the room closed. And that trade was a short there, 47.33, when the market was coming down here. And that was on the 9/12 candle. And that was about 40 to 60 ticks, depending on, again, I had 2 double targets here on that trade. Beautiful trade there. Then on the ES, we had an understanding trade on the ES, and that was at around 845, 845. That was 81.50. 81 quarter, 81.50 area there, and that one went down for up to 4 points. That was a nice winning trade. Then we had an understanding trade, told everybody counter trend, 1.5 to 2 points. That's exactly what it made. We got long at 80.50 and the 9:30 candle. That one worked out for a couple points. And then we got short again because we were looking for lower. My first target here, which again, I just moved this over, actually, these were here the whole time, was not hit over here. And I had like a triple band. I said it was like a ladder there. There was a bunch of support there. So when it came back down again, we hit it again at 77.50. 77.50, and that one worked out. It went down to 450, so up to 3 points, really a couple points because we had a line there. And that was it. We did have a break even in here. We hit the 750 before, and we added and got out. And then we hit it again That was a break-even trade there. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 winning trades. Again, multiple trades that went over 50 ticks. One up to 70. This one went 30. Just a great day. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, guys, we'll see you tomorrow.